Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title of it, I am going to be counting how much money I made by selling my coupon stockpile pricing guide. But before I get into this video, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay guys, so again, this is all of the money that I made from selling my coupon stockpile starting on January 1st, 2021 up until the second week of December of 2021. If you haven't seen my video for 2020 of when I recorded my video revealing how much I made, I'm going to link that video up top so that you can go and check that video out. And then I will also have it linked in the description box below so that you guys can see if I made less than last year or if I made more than last year. So I am super excited about this video, you guys. And this is also the video where I will be choosing the giveaway winner. So if you saw my community post, which I don't know if a lot of people seen it or not, but to those of you who did see it and participate into the giveaway, thank you so much. But basically I am doing a giveaway for $100. And there were some extra instructions that you had to follow. And then you also had to guess how much money this was. Whoever guesses the closest amount is the person who will win the $100. I also did this giveaway on Instagram as well to give people a chance to win $200. So I'm doing a $100 giveaway on YouTube, and I am also doing a $100 giveaway on Instagram. So today is the day where I will be choosing the winner for both Instagram and YouTube. So keep watching the video and you will see who the winner is. So by the way, you guys, if you don't know already, I do have a coupon stockpile pricing guide available for purchase. And this is for anyone who is trying to figure out how to sell their bundles, what to price their bundles at, where to sell them, how to sell them, what all to put in a bundle. If you are looking for that, then my stockpile pricing guide is for you. So that is linked in the description box below in case you are interested. So now we're going to go ahead and get started. So guys, this is what I use to keep track of what I sell, how much I sell it for, and how much I made per month. So this says you do you, girl, and this is just a little, pretty much a bullet journal that I got from Walmart a long time ago on clearance, and I think I paid like 50 cents for this. So basically, when I opened this up, I started recording. I've been selling my coupon and stockpile for as long as I've been couponing, but I actually started writing it down in August of 2019. So this is when I started actually keeping track. So as you can see, I write the month, the year, what I sell for that entire month, and then once the end of the month is over, I write my total of how much I made for the entire month over here. And I have been consistently doing that every month, every year since 2019, and this is how I keep track. And what I do is I get a Ziploc bag, I get an index card, and I write whatever month it is and the year, and then I say coupon stockpile hustle, and I just put the money in a Ziploc bag for the month with however much I make, and then I just keep that money, put it in my safe, and I just keep it up until the end of the year when it's time for me to count it. So that is what I use this right here for. And then I have my phone right here so that I can do some calculations, and I have my little cash tray right here so that I can make sure that I don't mess up. And I would like for you guys to also pay attention to make sure that I do not miscount anything, because I sometimes miscount. So I just want to make sure that I take my time, and we are going to see how much money I've saved selling my coupon and stockpile from January 1st, 2021 up until the second week of December 2021. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and start with the big bills first, guys. So I'm going to start with the $100 bills. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So we have 500. I'm going to go ahead and write that down. Well, type that in. And then we have 50s here. 51, 2, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Okay, let's try this again. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 750. Okay, we're gonna try this one more time. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750. Okay, so it's 750 plus 750. So you guys, I told you sometimes I miscount my money. Okay, and I'm just going to start with a small stack of 20. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85. Okay. 500. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85. Plus 500. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85. Plus 500. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85. Plus 500. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85. $20, $40, $60, $81, $20, $40, $60, $82, $20, $40, $60, $83, $20, $40, $60, $84, $20, $40, $60, $85. $500. $20, $40, $60, $81, $20, $40, $60, $82, $20, $40. So $240. Then we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 93. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 94. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 460. And let me do this. All right. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200. Let me just type 200 in before I forget. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And the ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Okay guys, so I made a total of $5,444, and this is actually the correct amount because I did count this money before recording the video. Because I wanted to see who the winner was, but I just still wanted to count all of this on camera for you guys so that you guys can see how much it is. So I already know who the winner is, guys, and the winner for the $100 giveaway is Brandy Noel. Again, Brandy Noel. So congratulations, Brandy. The only thing that you need to do is email me. If you go to my most recent video, my email is in the description box below. And today is the 21st. So today is Tuesday the 21st. You have until Friday, December 24th to email me letting me know that you are the winner. And I will get that $100 sent over to you. Also, you guys, I will also be choosing the winner from Instagram as soon as I am done recording this video. So if you participated on Instagram as well, make sure you check my page tomorrow because I will be making a post revealing who the winner is at 10 a.m. PST. So again, go ahead and check Instagram tomorrow. And once again, congratulations, Brandy Noel, and make sure you email me. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Again, if you haven't watched my video from last year of how much I made, make sure you go ahead and check that video out as well. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.